living life, every day, late at night, not okay, all I want.
Okay, hold on. You get to do like multiple
He was a professional bowler. This is a terrible idea.
No, it's so good. Yes!
That's why we're just recording the whole way. I'm gonna chop and edit and screw the shit out of it.
Alright. What? What just happened?
You got a gutter ball.
You're not even sure.
We went to the other way.
Alright, somebody help me get the damn plants out.
Just plants.
Somebody help me get the damn plants out.
Sarah, you're right there. Help her get the plants out.
I did.
You did.
No, I was saying like
Look at the glitter explosion. It's great.
I love it. That's my porn name.
Glitter explosion.
Apparently, that's a lie. I don't know.
All right, master.
Master.
See a little slot there? Even just like on my bowling ball, so my drills.
I know, that's why they're perfect. Potpourri balls for bowling balls.
Is that it? Is that everybody? Is that Oh!
He was about to cheat.
Oh, hold on. That guy goes.
Yeah,
Oh, God. That guy goes here. Hold on. Hold on.
Don't you know?
Don't you know? Okay. 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 Playing for Christmas. Yeah.
The master is out.
It's not a master.
Hurry up, I don't know how much powder I have.
Ow!
Did you just break my grandmother's table?
I did not. Wait, hold on, one. Mulligan.
You chopped the shit out.
Because it got stuck on my fingers.
That's what she said.
I was just messing around.
Alright, you get to go again. Okay.
You gotta do it this way.
Yep.
Oh
my God!
That's
Professional
not
bowler.
I am.
The master.
The master at work.
Alright, you only get to go 3 times if you get a spare, right? Alright, girl, it's your turn. Oh my God.
You pulled a soccer?
Oh, then no bowling. This one.
Rules.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We didn't even make fucking rules.
Yes! Yes! Spare! Oh my God, I'll do everything. I'll play your car out here and anything you need. That's fun. Don't you know that's so you can or we decorate the bowling for trees. So it's like so bowling for super bowling boys. Call mine or whatever. You know bowling?
Oh,
Got ready?
yeah.
Let's try, let's do guys. Oh God. Get us up. Oh, damn, I didn't even start! It's not happening!
It's not working. It's watching the door. It's like the whole.
It's fine. Go ahead. Yep. Have it. No, it. Oh, now you're trying to actually has a slot for Peter Pins. Where you order? It's down on the porch. Well, we got it in there. That's what I'll do. You're cool.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing when you're watching this. Hope you're doing fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And I know it's been a minute. Life and stuff. But anyways, we're going to get right into this video because I have a lot of videos to do that I want to knock out, and happy Vlogmas. I'm not doing Vlogmas this year. I have too much stuff going on. I did not want to try to challenge myself and get frustrated and then disappointed in myself for not being able to finish it. So I'm going to do videos when and where I can. I think they are very good videos that are coming up that I'm working on. They are different, like, there's lots of parts to these videos that I'm working on. They're major projects. I'm trying to put more effort into my channel, and 2023 is going to be the year. This is not a catch up with me video. I am going to do a live very soon with Panda about what's been going on in my life. If you're not on my personal Facebook, you don't know what's been happening. I did do like an actual like life update post a couple days ago. A couple people who do follow my channel know the extent of what has happened and what is going on and what I've been going through. I'm going to turn off my speaker on my computer because I'm a real YouTuber and I'm prepared. So anyways, I have missed you guys. I am so sorry. I am behind. I haven't been commenting. I am watching when and where I can. I see your updates. I see your posts. I see your comments. I love every single one of you. Thank you for sticking around. If you have recently subscribed, thank you as well. I know it's been over a week since my last video. I am working really hard in life and my job and trying to get these videos churned out. So many projects in the works. I hope you stick around with me, and I really appreciate those who have stuck with me thus far. So we're gonna get right into it. This is my first Temu T-E-M-U haul. Delia LaFay told me about this store. I used one of her coupons to place my first order. This is very similar to Shein. There is fashion, there is house stuff. So I went with holiday stuff because I have been working on a Decorate My House With Me vlog. And for those of you who know and don't know, I went through a divorce, I went through a separation, I got to keep the house, so I've been overhauling the house. I feel like I'm washed out, which is probably not true. It's just the camera, it's just me, and in editing this later, I'm going to figure out that I didn't need to adjust that light, but that's what I do. So yeah, it's low priced, it is China stuff. We're gonna go through this. I bought a bunch of decorative stuff for my house, but let's just do it. And I'll put prices on the screen of what everything costs because I have no idea what I got myself into here, but it's a fun haul. I think it's a fun haul. And half of this stuff I'll probably leave up all year round. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. So, I just hope everything is US compatible because it's a lot of lights and such. So, I'll just put pictures also of what I ordered because a lot of it's packaged like this. But this is moon and stars lights that you hang like from your ceiling. I thought this was going to be super adorable. I do believe this is a USB. Is it a battery? It just has this box. Oh, here's the plug. Okay. Which is not US compatible. Maybe it is. It probably isn't. But we're going to figure this out because I think I know how to like strip this and change the plug. But you can't really tell what it is. But it's supposed to be these stars and moons, like LED lights. So we'll see. We shall see. We shall see. That's what it's supposed to look like. Which is a terrible picture of it. But you get the idea. But hopefully that'll work, or I can make it work. This is a battery-powered ribbon. So I was going to put this on my porch tree. Super pretty, and it looks like it takes AA batteries, but it has all these little silver stars on it. It's like that wired ribbon. I can't remember how long it was supposed to be, but it's supposed to be like a garland. Like, oh my god. But yeah, it takes 3 AA batteries, so we shall see what that looks like. I'll do a little clip over my face of it, me trying to get it to work. And this is a net light. I hope this is US compatible. I don't remember what you call it, like the code thing for being able to plug it into the United States outlets, but they didn't really specify, and being a Chinese, I believe, company, like I said. I don't know if this would work. You know what? We're gonna go find out really quick because it doesn't have like the little holes for the prongs. Let's go experiment. Okay, so these actually do work, but I can feel them slipping out of the plug. But I'm going to show you what they look like when they're plugged in. And my camera died, so that's why I'm now feeling a little bit off. Moving on. So the next thing, this is mostly lights in this haul, because I just want to cover my house in lights for Christmas and leave them up until like February. So the next one, crinkle crinkle I am sorry, are these cute little snowflake LED lights, which are also battery powered. So I will show you those. And they look super long, which I'm super excited about. So I'm running out of room of where to put lights. So there's just going to be Christmas lights in every single room of my house. And three more things. I guess I bought 2 sets of the snowflake lights, but these actually take a USB cord, so I'll probably put them in this room. But they're the same idea, and since I have a USB port right here, let's see what they look like. Because I love snowflakes, even though I am Floridian, and I've never seen snow. Fun fact. Oh my god. Okay. I'm having issues. Well, they're like tied together, like in a bundle. Let's see if they actually work. Yeah, I love Christmas decorations. The struggle is real. The rainbow! They're so pretty. Oh my god. I can't wait till these are hanging in the room for Christmas. This room. Because you could probably put one of the, like the bricks, like a charging block in the wall, but because they have the USB port, which is a little wonky looking, but at least they work. I'm happy. And we have more lights. More plastic. It's the only bad thing about these companies is they're not really like environmentally conscious, but if you just use the stuff and don't throw it away, don't come at me. I know, I'm a terrible person, but these are just like the curtain lights that just drape down, I believe. So you can put these in a window, but again, they have the USB port thingy, whatever you want to call that. It's a USB port to me. And this is how you control it. There's a little button on it. And it also comes with a remote for different settings. But I have some of these in my bedroom already. Yeah, they have these little hooks, and you just put them up on the wall and you pull the strands down, so they're like curtain lights. And the last thing I have are 100 LED solar string lights for indoor and outdoor use. It looks like that, and I bought these for my backyard. I have a fenced-in backyard, so I thought these would be super cute to actually just keep on the fence all year round. And it looks like there's 2 sets, but yep, they're just white LED lights with a solar panel on them. So once our backyard is all cleared up, I have fire pits back there. I will show you like a backyard tour, but yeah, they're just the white LEDs and they have different settings. But yeah, I thought these were cute. And they come with little stakes if you want to put them in the ground. Aren't those cool? I love lights. It just gives like this sense of ambiance to like your home. There's just something about lights that I love. When I lived at Mom's house, I would always take over like the Christmas decorations and stuff. So that is my Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed that. That was my first time ordering from them. I do believe that all the lights I just showed you came to about $37. And the way that it's like Shein is, you can tell it's a lot of drop shipped stuff. I have words, I promise. And they also do a lot of coupons and free shipping and such. And it did take a while to get here, but I'm just happy everything works and that it's compatible in the US. But yeah, I will try to show you the different styles of lights, and yeah, I will talk to you in the next one. I hope you're wearing and doing whatever makes you happy, as long as it's not hurting anybody. It doesn't matter. That's the whole point of this channel, is being yourself. And I hope you're having a fabulous night, morning, dinner, brunch, champagne, whatever. Celebrate life. Be yourself. I love you very much and I miss you. I will talk to you in the next one. Me and Panda will see you later. Bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye. Love you. Bye.